Good morning, children. Today we will learn about animated text and object chapter 6 part 1. So in this chapter we will learn about applying animation effects, adding transition effects and how we can insert sound from a file and your own sound. Microsoft PowerPoint provides various tools and features to enhance the appearance of a presentation. These spatial effects assist you in making your presentation attractive, effective, engaging and professional. The use of spatial effects create a better impact on the audience. Applying animation effects. The ability to move objects like text, graphic, charts, logos, etc. in any direction in the slide is called animation. Animation is quite beneficial when you wish to focus on important points. It also controls the order or flow of the information and help in increasing the interest of the audience. You can animate the text, pictures, shapes, tables, smart art and other objects in a presentation by applying sound effects and visual effects including movements. Follow these steps to make specific changes to text and objects. Open any presentation. Select the object you want to animate. Select the Animations tab and click on the Animation pane button in the Advanced Animation group. Click on the Add Animation button present in the Advanced Animation group. A drop-down menu will appear the 4 different kinds of animation effects which are as follow. First is entrance. As the name suggests, these effects decide the manner in which an object enters into a slide during the slideshow. These effects make an object fade gradually into focus, fly onto the slides from an edge, bounce into view and so on. Second, exit. These effects control the manner in which the object exists during the slideshow. Some of these effects are disappear, fade, fly out, etc. Addition transition effects. Transition effects appear when one slide changes to other during the slideshow view. You can apply transition effect to a single slide as well as to all the slides. Follow these steps to add transition effects. First, select the slide on which you want to apply a transition. Click on the Transition tab. Second, transition to this slide group up